Question 9 gets us into the kitchen. We've got a relationship here between the cups of rice and the cups of water which are needed to cook that rice. And we've been asked to put that information in the form of a graph, cups of water up here, cups of rice down here, and then ask a supplementary question. Okay, let's deal with this ratio first. And it says that x to y, which is rice to water, is in the ratio 4 to 5. So I can say that x over y is equal to 4 over 5. And therefore, 5x is equal to 4y. This is y, this is x. We need to transform this and make y the subject. So therefore I can say that 4y is equal to 5x. Well, that's just switching it round. So y is equal to 5 over 4x. Now, if you compare that with y equals mx plus c, we haven't got c, so the first point on our graph will go through here. Now, how do we plot it? Well, look, if we just sub x is equal to 4, so we're on this line here. This is the line x is equal to 4. And if we substitute x is equal to 4, the 4's cancel, y is equal to 5. So we've got a really easy plot point, which is here. 0, as I've said, is another plot point. So if I just put a line through here, I would have drawn the complete relationship between the cups of rice and the cups of water. And that's part A. Well, we've sort of answered part B already. Find the gradient of the line in part A. Well, the gradient is 5 over 4 because this is m the gradient. So I can say the gradient is equal to 5 over 4. And now they say explain what this gradient represents. Well, it represents the amount of water for each cup of rice. And those will be your answers.